you're going to see the actual sound wave leaving his hands and traveling outward at 761 miles per hour, the speed of sound. And here it is again. There's a puff of butane, sparks fly, and the fuel ignites. But that shape billowing up from the flame isn't smoke. That's normal air that has been expanded by heat.
Different show every night in front of a new crowd, that's you now. Chow seems to laugh is great now. See me lose focus as I sing to you loud.
The day I was born, I learned to speak in a whole entire different form. My parents didn't budge, the fact I couldn't speak. Instead embraced me with care, signs they started to teach. Back in my era, kids got curious, gave me the daily stare. They couldn't understand, why am I using my hands? Never asked for sympathy, on my two I stand.
La extraordinaria habilidad de los quirópteros para orientarse gracias a la ecolocación les permite moverse a increíble velocidad en la más absoluta oscuridad, sorteando obstáculos e incluso detectando y dando caza a insectos en pleno vuelo.
Ben lost his eyes to cancer, but unbelievably, he's taught himself to see, with sound, and never uses a white cane. He's not even using his hands. Instead, he sees with sound. He makes a sharp click which bounces back off nearby objects. Amazingly, Ben's ears pick up the echoes and he can precisely locate where things are. Ben is the only person in the world who sees using nothing but echolocation.
See anymore, I can't see anymore. And I told him, I said, baby, yes, you can see. I said, you can see with your hands. And I put his little hands on my face. I said, see me? And then I said, you can see me with your nose. And I put my hand to his nose and I said, you smell me? I said, you can see me with your ears. I said, you hear me? I said, baby, you can't use your eyes anymore, but you still have your hands and your nose and your ears. I said, baby, you can still see.
Achromatopsia, which is total color blindness. So I've never seen color and I don't know what color looks like because I come from a grayscale world. To me, the sky is always gray, flowers are always gray, and television is still in black and white. But since the age of 21, instead of seeing color, I can hear color. In 2003, I started a project with computer scientist Adam Montandon. And the result, with further collaborations with Peter Queche from Slovenia and Matías Lizana from Barcelona, is this electronic eye. It's a color sensor that detects the color frequency in front of me and sends this frequency to a chip installed at the back of my head, and I hear the color in front of me through the bone, through bone conduction.